Where do you survive? Where do you not survive?
Okay, lasi ngasurvive khona. Imizi labathandaza khona kakhulu. Yeah. Asurvive. Ijaridi elinesonto phakathi. Asurvive.
Tshepiso, are being for real now?
Yes. Ijaridi elinesonto asikhona ungena, ungangena kodwa uphuma. It's not easy. Not.
So like vandag mangaqala isonto lapha edladleni usho ukuthi ngaba grand.
Uzoba mjojo ngeke khona ungena. Ngisho nezulu mangithi
ngiyazwila ne guys.
Ngithi nezulu mangithi ngiyalifaka lapha ngithi hey khawushaya izulu lapha liyojika lizoshaya mina ngishowe azini.
Tshepiso, are being for real now?
I'm being for real. Umuzi labathandaza khona kakhulu asikhona ukungena. La kunesonto khona sikhona ukungena, singangena la kunesonto kodwa uphuma is not easy
unless isonto lamanga.
Unless if isonto lamanga.
Okay,
Njengabo Bushiri siyangena sizezele ke. Lapho siyangena kubo umkhuba laba siyangena. Siyangena sizenzele. Amasonto maningi akwamanga esikhona ukuthi sisebenze. That is why labafundisi laba khona ukuthi mase kufike le nto leya ngifike ngithi wena ngithuma umoya ngithi lo feel hamba uye kuleya ufike umkhulumise ngevoice endoda akhuluma ukuthi ngibulale bani izinto ezinjalo ngamthathela lokho kwamanga kusuke ukukhuluma lesa spirit lesa esisithumile. That's how nabafundisi laba they gain agcwala uzomuntu ngokumbeka nje ithawelele leya siyazi ukuthi okay ithawele masingena lapha sigcobise kudala and uzobona ingathi unamandla hathi kanti akusamandla amandla weyilwani nabantu abafili akusamandla wakhe yena mekethi usala lesasulani lesasona mina ngempelele so yeah.
But there is hope.
Yeah, there is
hope.
Yeah, yabona nje thina la eSouth Africa masingayeka ukuzondana ubuthakathi bungapheli.
So yithi sesifakela lobuthakathi.
Yini enizifakela lobuthakathi and niyas invite nathi thina abathakathi. Inzondo yenu iyas invite. Mangibona ukuthi awunenhliziyo etshela. Awuthi ngene. Uyongisebenzela kamnandi. Ngiyangena. Ulwe nobhuti ulwe nomakhelwane ithukane nishayana ngamabhodi nasemaThaveni siyangena. Umuntu nje efike ekunyathela ngithi shaya sipoko sami sisebenza ngisudakiwe shana ngebhodlela awazi kusasa mavuka ayeka mina ngazi ngiphuzile akusutshwala utshwala kunankinga inkinga hila.
So you guys, Soweto podcast is currently trending on all social media. The interview that Tshepiso, who is a sangoma and a self-proclaimed witch, did on the podcast is currently trending. Now, the host did ask Tshepiso, and this is very much interesting. He asked Tshepiso, are you able to enter houses or places whereby there are like Christians and believers and people who believe in God? You know, what kind of places do you not enter? Tshepiso's answer definitely shook a lot of people. She said that in houses whereby there's like a lot of praying or in churches, then they as witches are not able to enter that. He says, if you as a witch enter that place, then you will definitely be having a hard time leaving that place. He says that, you know, there are things like thunderstorms that are definitely happening in the spirit realm. Now, proving, of course, that Jesus Christ is a savior, basically. Now, what also had a lot of people surprised was when he spoke about the kind of churches that they easily enter into. He spoke about Prophet Bushiri. Fine. We do know that Prophet Bushiri is allegedly not a man of God, but surprisingly, he also spoke about Pastor Mukuba, you guys. He said that even in Pastor Mukuba's church, it is easy to get in there because there's no God. Tsepiso definitely shook a lot of people. Now, people were saying, Tsepiso, are you insinuating that Pastor Mukhuba is not a woman of God? What are you saying? Because he didn't like touch the topic of Pastor Mukhuba too much. But I've seen comments whereby people were asking, Tsepiso, why don't you touch this topic? Yeah, Pastor Mukhuba. Are you saying that Pastor Mukhuba is not led by God? Anyways, you guys, have you seen the podcast? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. May the good Lord bless you all. Bye.